Oh, baby. Good morning, welcome to Ferns Garage. Today we're picking up one of my dream cars. We're going to Carson City, Nevada to go pick it up. Got about a 3.5 hour drive. Right now we're at Costco getting some gas. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get this road trip started. We're taking the beast all the way to Nevada. Look at this baby. Oh my goodness. Let's see, let's check out the California prices. Híjole. Don't live in California, guys.
Young money, young money.
This come along's definitely seen better days. There you go. Good. Did you feed it? Let me see.
Oh my goodness. I count 8 cylinders, baby. Shit. Nissan acquired. You're sweating. You got 2 drips of sweat on your face.
That's because my BMI is really high.
BMI. I don't know if you can see that, but the hood's like bouncing, so we gotta restrap it. I cannot believe I just bought this car right now. Oh my goodness. That V8 is so big. It's got a 5.3 liter V8. Right now we're having problems. This is just flopping in the wind. Harbor Freight little ratchet strap. It's not gonna be strong enough to hold that on the freeway, so now since we're in Nevada, they got something called Maverick. They got toe straps in there, so we're about to get those. Back to California. I've never driven with a trailer before, and now I got my dream car on one, and now I'm driving.
I know. Or Mark went on the
Oh shit, is he gonna come up? Oh, I'll just pull forward.
Keep going. Turn it. A little more.
Straight up.
Stop right there.
Don't move. Go forward.
Do not move. You're about to hit me.
Oh my god.
Don't you dare move.
Hey, inches, dude. Yo, I think you're going into it, dude. So close. I was watching your front tire because you were about to come off the trailer too.
Oh!
That's what I'm saying. Sure, now you're about to come off, and then you're coming back here perfect. All right.
Dream car secured. We got the Nissan 300ZX with a V8 in it. I'll do a run through soon, but I gotta go back to work, so we'll see you next time. Thank you.